Westermans here again with a Bode VP100-2 welding positioner. Two machines here. One's actually been slightly built up. Table diameter on these is 1500. One has actually got a chuck on. Machines are actually being sold as seen, or can be serviced to order with warranty, or even refurbished with new electronics. Quick function tests. This one is actually a quarter variable speed. Set the speed there, slow and fast. Obviously also another one there. No electronics in these, just purely contactors. But the quarter can be a little bit noisy on the pump. Rotation there. Turn it down on the pump. Variable speed obviously working. Then you've got your tilt functions and pendants. Obviously these machines will take 5,000 kilos in weight. Being a Bode, truthfully 6,000 kilos or possibly a bit more as a working weight. Machine is 400 volts, no neutral. More details available on this and other welding positioners on our website by looking at westermans.com. Thank you for looking.